a man. How you going there and fuck a boy? How you going there and fuck a man? Don't come back around. How you fuck a man?
I didn't know, man.
How you ain't know you been there 30 minutes? That shit that good, you go fuck a man, yo?
My man, I didn't know.
How you ain't know you be tricking with all type of girls and you going there with a pump, man?
I didn't know, man.
That's how age get out here. I don't like niggas that fuck with boys. Don't come back around. You stop a businessman. You a businessman. What the fuck you did that for?
I didn't know.
You knew it with the pump, man.
No, I
you
didn't
knew
know,
that, dog. Nigga watch you. Nigga don't like that. That's why I expose your ass. Where you from?
I'm Haitian, man.
I don't give a fuck cause you Haitian. Real Haitians don't do shit like that, yo.
Bro, I don't really.
I ain't your bruh cause I don't like shit like that. That's how A's get out here, man. I don't like hoes can be gay. Niggas don't be gay, man. You went in there for a hoe. I look at you dressed up, businessman and all. Look at you in there. I watch your ass. You never know who watching. Ain't your mama tell you that when you was young somebody always watching? I do wrong too out here. But one thing I ain't gonna do is destroy my character as a man though. You went in there and fuck another man, yo. Don't let me see you like around here no more. Have a nice day. Green as fuck, man. Don't come back around here no more. I gotta put this shit out there, yo. Tag number, y'all know I'm good with them tag numbers. 368. Can't come back around here no more, man. Put your ass out there. Go tell your wife. You can't come back through this shit no more. You fuck with boys, man. You fuck with boys. You can't come back. You fuck with punks, man. Gay ass nigga. You fuck with boys, man. Any nigga I ever see fucking with a punk, I don't give a fuck who you, I'm gonna expose your ass, nigga. Any nigga I see. I don't want that one thing. Hoes to be gay. I don't like that gay shit. When you want to be a man, be a man. Don't play that both sides. You fucking a girl and you fucking a man. Oh, we can spray. That shit got me hot. Yeah, I'm exposed. I don't get. And with that gay ass girl that who said that she don't like when I do that. That's a man. That's why I do it. Give a fuck who don't like it. Got his ass.